Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund on Venmo. First, if you're looking for an interface tutorial, that's not going to be the case in this video. I'm not able to log in into my account at the moment outside the US, but of course, it's still a very easy tutorial that you need to follow. So, of course, if you're not, if you want to refund on your Venmo account, make sure to log in into your account. If you have one, if you don't, make sure to go and create an account. But of course, if you want to refund, probably you already logged in or you already have an account. So how to cancel payments or how to refund? Of course, I need to cancel like a Venmo payment or basically ask for a refund. So when you send the payment on Venmo, the money will be sent to the recipient right away. There isn't a way to cancel a payment once it's sent. But if you need the help with the payment, there are specific steps that you can take for certain scenarios. So as example, if payment is pending, you can take back the payment or have your friend verify their info. If payment sent to a stranger, you can gather details about who you meant to pay and then contact the support team and they'll help you get your refund. If the payment sent to wrong friend, ask your friend to pay you back or have them simply contact our support if they need help. If you accidentally duplicate payments, ask the recipient to pay you back the extra payment. And if you only sent one payment and see multiple charges on your bank statement, please contact the support as well. If you paid, as an example, for a scam, you can simply contact the support and report the issue, and they will probably provide you with a refund or help you to get your refund. And of course, if you receive like a payment from stranger, contact the payment or the support for help, return the payments, and do not attempt to pay the stranger back on your own. And if that's not what you're looking for, you can go here and type simply refund and look for like related articles to refund. Example, so business profile refund, in-store QR code refund, Venmo debit card refund, and credit card. Click on whatever you want on this Venmo like help or help.venmo.com and you'll be able to find whatever you want. So this is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.